How to connect a domain to your Wix website. In this tutorial, I will connect a domain I purchased from Namecheap. But this is the same process as any domain registrar. Once you have purchased your domain, log into your Wix account and click on the Connect Domain on your home dashboard. Or go to your domain settings. Select Connect a Domain. This will show the list of sites under your account. In this case, we only have one which is pre-selected. Click Next. Paste your site domain and submit. Select Yes, I own this domain link. You will then see instructions to connect the domain. Click Start. Log into your Namecheap account. Go to the domain list. On the Wix connection steps, click on the confirmation button until you find the name servers. Copy the name servers that you see. Go to Namecheap and click the Manage button for the custom domain. Under the name servers option, change it to Custom DNS. Paste the name servers and click the check icon once done. Confirm by clicking the I added button on the Wix site. Note, it can take up to 48 hours for your domain to fully propagate and become active on your Wix website. But so far, when I tried it, it only took about an hour. Thank you for watching our video.